might walk down, so I gotta be right on time. I see you, and I see you. I can't be around. Only when I see you.
Scribble X and O's in my notebook. Hi guys, I'm driving to the car wash. I'm gonna be on my phone right now. Gosh, imoto ngiphurekile. I am bodically bodiest. Oh, and then kwatholakala manje uthule bandleni. Play now, bitch.
The Brooklyn House 2025 applications are officially open, and here's how to apply.
Hi. Do you recall the time? You are my life, you're my sunshine, a beautiful flower. What could yet you find so hard to find? Don't you need a driver? No, I'm good. Can you pull up? Hi. Please say. Ankahleni. Hawu bengisaphuma mabatolambe imali.
So delicate was she, and something deep within was calling up to me. Where have you been? I waited patiently. I never thought you'd find your way. Her voice so heavenly. Dear God, I can't believe an angel sent to me.
Inkiphile leya ngoma leyana, so fuck that song. Fuck that song. This is my new favorite jam. That's like ngoma like so good. Check ID. You check ID. Hey, ayakaphumule ngoma guys. Where are you going? I'm at the car wash actually. Ngizowash imoto mase ngibuyele endlini. Yeah. Starting to zero yami, we bambe, we Sunday. Starting to zero yami, we bambe, we Sunday. Love is patient on my side. It's so good, niggas cut inside me. Starting to zero yami, we bambe, we Sunday, we bambe. Love is patient on my side. It's so good, niggas cut inside me. Starting to zero yami, we bambe, we Sunday, we bambe. inhliziyo yami phatha njengeqanda, never let me down, baby. Sami ngizenhlanye kanje for laba abanye abangishela kuqala, baby. Thatha inhliziyo yami phatha njengeqanda, never let me down, baby. Never let me down, baby. Uhlezi ungithanda, baby. Thatha inhliziyo yami phatha njengeqanda, never let me down, baby. Sami ngizenhlanye kanje for laba abanye abangishela kuqala, baby. Thatha inhliziyo yami phatha njengeqanda, never let me down, baby. Never let me down, baby. Uhlezi ungithanda, baby. Oh, love is patient on my side. Ngizokunika isikhathi sami, sathi inhliziyo yami uyibambe, uyithande. Oh, uyibambe. Love is patient on my side. Ngizokunika isikhathi sami, sathi inhliziyo yami uyibambe, uyithande, uyibambe. Who's that? Man, guys. Just one more time. This is how much I listen to the song. Like, I listen to the song kaningi kaningi awe ma. I love it. I love it so much. Enjoy your favorite color, dude. Okay, besides ukuthini, it's a good song. Still having favor. Okay, let's see. Sathi inhliziyo yami. Ingawa ifoni yami. Never let me down, baby. not fast, my love. It's probably your phone. Check your phone, yak. Nah, my hiccups. It's such a nice song. I listen to it all the time. It's unhealthy. Okay, what music we're listening to today? While Basawashi Moto Yomi. Bengising Khalili R&B sing Kabangi sing Khaluk Lalanje Ingoma. Is it right? Slalilan. Okay. Song name. Oh, yeah. Okay, I will tell you the song name. Okay, no, I'm not gonna tell you the song name. I might just listen to. I always listen to Drake. No more Drake. Okay, Friday. Well, Friday is a skip a live. Got I has let's just listen to Friday again. If this so ish sebezofuna ngisondelisa imoto labantu laba ngiyazi how I didn't get any papalazi now. Gonna shine. Hey, phone yami ngayithenga cash man shit. Sorry, receive real, but I'm still concerned to you.
How you leave me deep in the dark when I gave you light? That you put the blame on me, threw away my pride. It could be a million miles,
but I'm still gonna slide
for you. You already know I need you by my side. Won't you stand by me? I just need a little more time. I just need a little more time with you. Promise that you'll stand by me. Oh, won't you stand by me? I just need a little more time. I just need a little more time with you. Promise that you'll stand by me. Did a lot of things I ain't want to. I done went and lost my soul. I was losing sight, couldn't see you through. Walk around with both eyes closed.
I don't know if I should do this. Okay. I know what I want to listen to. I know exactly. Nah. I really wanted to give it a shot. I don't know what song to play. Bengi just nyazi patangazi ish. Ikona lengoma man guys. Yeah. Ignore. Ish. Yabona-ke manje. No, angeke ngidlale ingoma ngisacabanga leyana lala ish yabona-ke ke. Never mind. I can't remember the song. Lapo is such a good song. Like, oh my god. Oh my god.
Your heart is hard to carry after dark. Try to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and now I'm knowing you're there tonight. Why second guess? I should've stayed.
Our body, this shit feels like
teenage fever. I'm not scared, obviously ain't either. Why second guess? I should've stayed. Cause you know what's on my mind. You had my love and I gave you all my trust. Would you come
Hey, son, I'm single and I really much. Bye, bitches. Bye, bitches. Hey, Bo. Ashley. Hi. I'm good. How are you? Hey, Bo. Nay motilo kung kusyam. Why am I taking it? Dark. Oh, can I just have a chair? Oh. Yeah, umuntu nje akakwazi nokuphefumula. Hayi, ngirathi ngidinga isitulo sokuhlala. Yeah. All right. Angumuntu engishayela anginaso leso sikhathi. Nkosi yami ngishadile, Nkosi yami ngishade lokho serious. Nonsense. Yo, no Milana nelona yakhe engathi ngasuka nje lana. Not me putting my face on the screen. Why? Then if you check myself, literally, are you single? Do I look single? Nah. Yeah. Uzoteka nindo wakho uyazi ngifuna ukodala lapha ngiyancela ukuhlala naye lapha yana. Uhlala iphi imoto yakhe?
No, iyaphela.
Wait.
Iyaphela manje.
Iyaphela? Okay. Lapha ya? Yeah, and inomsindo nalelona. Yeah, now this is peaceful. Zobhala no 4 la. Zobhala u4. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm so big on my screen looks dirty. I am so big on ngizohamba nesikhwama ne lip gloss nekhadi kuphela. Ubani uzothini? Ebo, ubani uzovuka sami? Ngoba mbothana basivuli. I am so big on this travel nje ne lip gloss nekhadi, sometimes lip gloss kuphela cabanga. Ifake le lip gloss ngilibele ngithi shh. Okay, no ke wasendlini ke. Hayi wemoto. Not really. I don't really travel with it unless what do you do for living? Ngiyalala ngiyavuka, ngiyaphefumula, breathe in. Mase ngilande into dayami phela nje, that's it. Akuyona nje umsebenzi otheni. Awona umsebenzi otheni yazi. Hayibona ngengithuka lona uthi ngimblock. Ungithukelani wena phara? Ilama phozo wenza akungena ekhanda. Uyambona ukuthi uphoze kanjani kwi profile picture? Elamaphoza wenzayo ngazi ucabanga ukuthi kephi la kanti sisejele la. Sijoyene ndaba amasimba wena. Stupid. Yo ngilambile. Maybe I should just go into Nando's Lana and buy something to eat. Ubani le ndoda? Ayibo. Brother Bay. Kodwa yona kuphela into engiyenza empilweni leyo ngiyalala ngiyavuka mase ngibhizi ngilandela indoda yami usuku lonke. Noma ngathi akangifuni ngizomtshela ukuthi no babe lalela. No, you just tripping. You fine. Right. How kahle. Sebebhonyela. You deserve a girlfriend allowance. What makes you think ukuthi anginayo? Angiyitholi. What makes you think ukuthi angiyitholi? Njengoba uthi I deserve ngathi. Kodwa ya, qinisile yazi. Ngiyadlala. Call me, I'll buy things too. Yeah, ngisho njalo vele ngithi baby uzumeka lapho because ngiyakubona ukuthi uyahlanya uyahlanyisa ngekhanda. Vele ulale uvuke uzovuka futhi right sithanda sami. I love him so much. Methi hey, wena sindu iphara. You bipolar. Ngithi baby, you trying to say you love me. Ngiyazi deep down all you trying to say is I love you. Kodwa kugcine sekuphuma ukuthi baby you kugcine sekuphuma ukuthi ngibipolar. Ngiyithanda indaba meke ngabona abantu begijima ngithi ngahamba ngiyobuka. Yo. Angiyithandi le ndawo engihleli kuyona yazi lo baba lo usuka nini kanti naye nale moto yakhe. Ngithanda ukuhlala la. Manje lapha engijwayele ukuhlala khona nginemali eningi.
Ushabo lapha.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Eh? Alright.
Because sokunabana abaphamula amaphola.
Bayantshontsha la?
Bamba amabenzi, nice cars. Inopaka lapho wena ufika. Umuntu wakho uzenza ngathi usile mawulimele. Manje ngala eduze.
Bayenza leyo?
Ngaqale so that last week khona.
Hawe ma unamanga ngiyohlala lapha yana yini.
Even ungahlala lena sini manje ngiyithatha ngiyona iphamula kula.
Yo sana. Ay.
So nama ubona nje
Ningada unayo uzobe nesibindi khona nemoto amaphoyisa la. Uzobe nesibindi. Yo, uyahamba manje le moto amaphoyisa ngithembele kona kuthiwa la eGoli lapho bekhohlakele lezi zinja lezi. Kuthiwa ngikade ifoni yami uthi ngifake la pussy in the pussy. I'm joking. Why you at the car? Car what? Car was? Oh, bufuna car wash? No. Ngise car wash ngedwa ngoba ngihlala ngedwa ngizovusa abantu makhelwane ngithi hello. Ngiphelezele ngiyowash imoto. Mina othi ngintshele i-routine yami like I'm so predictable like if ngingekho endlini ngiseklabhini ngiyasebenza angiphumi for ama reasons angayenzi sense suke ngihamba ngiyohosta mengiqeda futhi ukuhosta lezi zinto zama second location akuzona izinto zami angizenzi lezo zinto mengisuka emva lapho ngiyasuka ngiyongena yini 160 mazongichaphela wena mengisuka futhi lapha eGroove ngiyahamba ngiyongena endlini yami mengingekho lapho ngisuke ngikumahlekisane wami ohlekisayo mina nihlekisa umuntu wami kuphela mengingekho lapho I'm literally just home live probably. But my life is so predictable, shame. Like it is so predictable. In law. uyangena uyaphuma ulivala isicabha eyapaka bangasishayisa inkosi yami manje umuntu uyawuthola u-RAF neshayisa imoto ehleli kwama-parking. Hayibo ngingabacela mina ngithi ngicela urafu wami ukuthi ingishayise kephi, it doesn't matter, kodwa moral of the story is ingishayisile noma ngathi ingishayise ngihleli kephi nje okusala ingishayisile mengihleli ema-parking ngiyawuthola urafu. Ngeke isimo sami sibi mgabayo ngiyawudinga urafu. Why futhi kukhetha ukuthi imoto kumele ishayise kephi khona uzokwazi ukuthola urafu? Uyabona ukuthi wena Sean_McLight ubuza nonsense buka futhi you couldn't even just structure a simple sentence like there's something wrong with you. Zokuziba ngabe ngiyakuhleka manje ngiyanqena ukuhleka kuyashisa ngabe ngiyakuhleka yo ngisacabanga futhi ukuthi ngiye yini lapha khona ilikwa elapha ngiyothenga nje like mhlambi isavana eyodwa. Hayi aseyiphuza isavana lutho. Ngqokumsangano guys, I don't really want to show you like ngigqoke yabo ukuthi mohlangana nami ngilanga ngasendlini yami uzongifica nje ngiyiphara kodwa mina guys angimind mina uphuma endlini ngiyiphara honestly like angimind because ngiyazazi ukuthi mase ngizimisela hayibo mase ngizimisela mina sham. So don't play with me. Namhlanje ngifuna ukube bad bitch. Bengithi ngeke ngikhiphe le installation manje ngikhalele ukufaka u40-inch wami namhlanje ngithi pass down middle parts noma ngivule la iceleni nakhona so cabanga noma ngizothi middle parts kodwa ngizobheka iclosure yakhona iclosure ya 40-inch wami qothukile shame. But ngifuna ukushaya ibhasi ngifuna ukube baddie yabo mengiqeda la ngendlini go with trainer. I'm gonna waist train today the whole day, like the whole fucking day. So ngithi khona ugele ngimfonelele ngithi cela ngenze makeup. Keep and mina ngiyibhadi on a budget guys, like lento leyo yokuspend imali ngithi no ngizoyenza cha ngithi pass down ngithi middle part ngizoyenza middle part kodwa ngizobheka ukuthi isimo seclosure sibed kangakanani ngoba ayisona sibi mgababa sibi but sobona sohlanganisa ngithi pass down ngithi zoqokani ngizobona kodwa ngifuna ukuba ibadi. Moral of the story is ngifuna ukuba ibadi. Do you take your friends on dates sometimes? Yeah, I do. Well, hayi kakhulu though. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi angithandi ukudla imali. Are you going to the gym? Like you said, yebo, ngiyaya. Manje ngoMonday kusasa ngiyaya. uMonday kusasa kusasa ngiyaya futhi ngiqala iweek yami yesibili. My second week, so you going out tonight? I'm working tonight. 9 months usuphelile. Hayi ngisabathe ngathi ngabonza yakuhambanga kahle. Uhamba nini lo amalume yazi uthola isport esintshwe kanjani sine umbrella and iumbrella ukubona iumbrella ukuthi sometimes izovala the one side kuya ngokuthi ilanga lime ngake livala iside lakhe cabanga. Futhi ngihambe ngiyohlala naye lapha mina ngizofika ngisa live la umuntu lo amalume umdala lo amalume vele kukhona kube khona umuntu ongisukelayo la ngivele ngithi ungazongijwela amasimba wena phambi komuntu. Yo. I mean you can't take me anywhere nkosi yami nje yo. Umuntu omdala lo abhuti mdala like uzosho nje ukuthi yini bo iphara ke le ntombazane le vele uthi ungijwela amasimba mina. Were you at Saint yesterday? Kwenziwa ne Saint? Kwenziwa ne Saint? Yebana, it's not Monday kusasa. Monday kusasa umtsheleni, xa nimtshela Sunday namhlanje. Xa nimtshela. Ungalingi nje ungiconfuse mina. Usuqalile ukujima ngiqalile ukujima. Inkinga yami ngeke ngishoot. That's a nice car. And it's driven by a woman. Pretty mama. I love your nose. Yo, I'm so lucky anginaliphala eli-snacks yo. Ngabe kade futhi ngiyenzile nose drop ngimtshela indaba engingayibuza. Ngabe kade ngayenza. I shoot sorry. Do you wash your car every Sunday? No, I haven't washed my car in a minute, yes. I haven't, so ingakho kade ngithathe ngiyitotose kancane. And imoto yami black, so iyashesha ukubonakala mengcolile. What time is it where you live? It's 12:42. Why don't you become a DJ? Because I don't know. It looks complicated, first of all, and I'm just leaving it to the people that actually have a passion with it. DJ, you don't really need a passion. Mina angithandi ukwenza umsebenzi engawuthandi ngoba ngizogcina ngingawuhloniphi. Fit check, nali bhlukwe, nasiskipa. Hayi. Ngeke ngitshengise ke lokho kwenye. Awubuye kwamasho. Bills gotta be paid. Yeah, I know that. Ama-bills ami futhi mina guys awangixini nje, angixinekile nje Nkosi yami. Hayi bo. Guys, the way I am living a comfortable life, I'm so proud. Like my life is so comfortable. Like angifakeli pressure. Angizenza izinto nje ezi-snacks. Angeke ungibone nje ngithi nje hawe ma usibani uthenge lokhu nami ngiyokuthenga. Or usibani nje like impilo yami is comfortable. I am so happy. Also another thing, every time when I'm appreciating God, like I don't just always pray when I need something. Kuyithandazela nje ngithi ngiyabonga for a car, ngiyabonga for a place to stay, ngiyabonga ukuthi mekuphela inyanga ngiyakwazi ukusenda imali ekhaya or ngiye khona because ngiyabazi bakhohlayele kabe ekhaya mebethola imali bavele benza izinto zabo nje engabe benza lento le imali engiyisendeleyo kodwa ikhohlakali bakhohlakela abazali bami khohlakela. So sometimes I just prefer kuya and then buy everything that I need to buy. Ngiyayithanda shame awunandaba serious wena. Anginandaba mina mfethu ngiphilela nje impilo yami esimple nabangani bami abawu2 noma 1 nje mase ngiyilandelela indoda ke. No, please. Well, very good ke ngalapha. Very good. Indoda iyadingakala mfethu empilweni. Yo, I'm so sorry. Ngoba indoda ngiyayilandela indoda mina guys yabo nje futhi mengisakulandela nje kumele nje ukujabulela lokho ngoba siyafika isikhathi la ngigcine ngikhathala khona kodwa ukukulandela angizokulandela mntakama ngizokulandela nje ngizokulandela yo mina my vibes. Manje umuhamba nini ayichana kade ifikile la ngisasemotweni behleli lapha. Please tell us about Omoda. It's my favorite car. Yo, angazi ukuthi kumele ngithini kodwa ngiyayithanda imoto yami mina. Ngiyayithanda imoto yami guys. It's so comfortable, but it's not a racing car. Obviously it's a Omoda, like it's not a small car, but kumele ungahambi ngayo ngespeed esiphezulu. Senginoku abantu baby what la manje ukhiyewe moto ngiyohlangana nawo phakathi emoto angazi nami ngithathe photo. But I have to look good. So kumele kube quick. Usemidrend no. Ngihlale Rivoni. Ngisizile ngafika there's such a long line. So sengiyu drive. I see you've healed. I'm so happy for you. Yabonga my baby. Yo Bengo. You remember the last time I went live and I was at this thingy, car wash food. When did you learn how to drive? Mina ngithe guys ngasho ukuthi mina bengikwazi ukudrive 3-4 years ago. I can't remember when was it. 2020 something. And then evaka lapho ngafunda and then ngayeka kanjalo. So before ngithenga imoto I just went for lessons. I went for lessons like for like 2 weeks. And then bese ngibuyelile emgaqweni ngathi mengiqeda ke lento leyo yokufunda ukudrive ungena moto ibhlungu enhlizweni ibhlungu. How long did it take you to be a good driver? Yo, it took me forever. Bengisaba ama truck kahle emgaqweni. Kumele ngikhiphe uL manje single driver. Got another thing ngiyancane ukukhipha because I'm just a baby. Yazi yanesitefu ingane na 16 izofuna advice la awukahle wengane. Hey nibo guys. Nidinwe yini? Do you have a photographer? No, I wish I had like my personal photographer. I wish I had. Umuntu ozong understand also understand everything, like everywhere I go, like he takes why is ngena ama photographer amantombazane? Why is ngena ama photographer amantombazane? Noma khona ukuthi awanakiwe like ama photographer amantombazane aphi? I'm just a girl. Oh, like ngenqena ukhipha uL wami lapha yana emotweni. I'm just a girl. Do you have plans for December? Yes, nginama plans ngifuna ukumeetha. What you saying? Funa kushaya December ngimeet mina. Angifuni ukubuza utshwala kule December, ngifuna ukuthi ngihleli nje noma ngiya out ngiyazi ukuthi angiphuza, ngifuna ukumeetha. Nginama plans. Futhi ngalibe ningitshela otherwise rather than please I beg. I have plans, my babes. When are you doing the ibele challenge, Aibo? Lela bele lifuna ulithi. Pa, etafuleni. Elami alithi. Pa, etafuleni. Alifuni. Kunini ngizama sengithe ngathi. Yo, awungeke phela sengiyoze ngihlephuka imbambo. Can I have plans for December, please? Remove that L. No, I'm just a girl. Because they do that, like they just gonna run away.
Oh.
Do you prefer girls? Ish, uzohlala ngala. just a girl. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in the world. Wabuya, yeah, back like I never left. I'm back like umgogosh. Back. Yes, Shailu 9 Minds. Hi, Dor. Hey. Cindy Bandla, Wangi Timbi. That Timbi, see keke. Oh, for your birthday. Ayibo. Izwe yamcishe yama. Yathi mina ngithembisa abantu amakhekhe manje. It's car wash day. Ice cream. Ngizodlula lapha eKFC ngiyothenga. Hey manje ngiyasaba ungena eKFC ngihalela neKFC kule nsuku. Angudlu ice cream mina. Early birthday shout out mama. Happy birthday Buttercup. Happy birthday Buttercup. Elung follow you kuphela mama. Awen bro. Khipha le filter sibone yo awufuni ukubona kutshela. Mina Themba mina bengisho nje awufuni ukubona. Ngithembe. Angikulahlekisi ngeke ngikulahlekise futhi. Yo ay cha shame this is why ngingathandi mina ukuze ekhaya ngoba akuyahlalwa yo. I must try the donut burger. I'm not a donut babe, so I'm not fascinated by that whole thing. I'm angry at them for them. Ukuthi bayeki look daisa la ama spicy fries. Bangidine sabadinelo elmina ngadinelwana ke shema nginandaba ukuthi uyazi noma wazi kodwa ngizukidiniwe. Waye ungafuna ungena eKFC ngoba ngizoyihalela. Ngizoyihalela iKFC futhi angikho esimeni sokuhalela ama KFC. I'm not a donut person, so angihaleli le burger. The burger. Bahlezi bethi ngiyafana nawe esikoleni futhi nama ngudlu ice cream. Hayi siyafana ngempela yazi twin. Where have you been? Size singayidli into efanayo cha siyafana. The fries are back. Babuyisile futhi bangangenzi slim. How could they? Like they stop. Try the waffle burger. I'm not a waffle girl food. Try the Yeah, Jima mina ngeke ngize ngani. Into engizolwa nayo kuphela manje it's just alcohol, but the junk nah ma ngimahliphihlipini inwele zinjani ngikade shame. Yini vele lento le it's 2024 khona abantu abasebenza lento yama dot. Kanti what do you eat? Ngidla ama Vienna lawa no cheese phakathi phela ne sauce. Ngidla girl dinner every day mina. Girl dinner. Ngidla girl dinner every day. I literally have girl dinner every single day of my life. Like if I get hungry, ngithatha ama Vienna u2 ngiyaqoba ngifaka isauce. Ngihlale phansi ngidle ngisuthe futhi the whole day. Unless kumele ngiyophuza utshwala ke mase ngizomele ngithole like angazi nami. What alcohol do you drink? Sengiphuza gin manje. Apparently it's good. I need to change drinking nectar to drinking brut. Since sengizama ukujima manje. Angisho ukuthi ngiyajima ngithi ngiyazama. Angisho ukuthi ngiyajima ngithe ngiyazama. Who's the lucky guy? Ngifuna ukungidaba nina, ngiyandabana nina ngiyanazi. Yo sengiyagodola. Nina niyangitshela nje mara ukhona someone tells you umuhle Cindy. Nina niyangitshela and happy. So you don't do cheat days. It's still too early for me to do cheat days. Like ama cheat days abantu sebeyibona nje imphumela. It's still too early for me to have ama cheat days. Yeah, be brute. But apparently it's good for someone who's actually just trying to like lose weight or something like that. Do you eat pap? Ngiyathanda. Ngiyalidla ipapa mina. Kodwa ngidla uphuthu mina. Ayi papa, ngidla uphuthu. Cause you know what's on my mind. Yabona bathi ayinayo ne-hangover futhi ibruthi nje ngicabanga ukuphuza yona. Ngishintsha i-rider yami manje. Don't gym kusahamba kahle. Yabo mina. Ngeke yabona mina ngithi I'm not going back ukuthi ngiyoyenza surgery again. I mean it. I need to maintain this. I'm not going back. I am not going back. I am not going back. Sorry. So I'm a side. I'm so opposed. I'm a side. I'm a babes. Stop scratching your nose. I don't know. Something is tickling me inside. Like anything kitazayo inside. I don't know what's in. Cause you know what's on my mind. If you get my love. Okay, so my goals warming. I'm trying to like my thighs just gain rapidly. They just keep getting big and big and big. I want to tone actually. I want to tone and slim just a little bit. Just a teeny little bit. If you lose akancane mase ngiyatone. How much is your girlfriend allowance? I can't answer that. How was it? Yabona mengithi, yabo ngizwe kahle mengithi angeke usangibona. Okay, maybe after ingane, after my firstborn. Yeah, because I'm only just gonna have one kid anyways. Maybe ngizobuyela ke ngenze mommy makeover. But okwamanje no. Qedile lo muntu kasem sacela ukuhamba ngendlini yami mina ngiyatsaba mina ukuhlala lana. So you're not going back? No, I did not do my body. Mina, it's Turkey. I don't have a sinus. That's the thing. I don't understand why is it like this. Like when do I mean slim? Sacele uye kwi big brother chomi. Shame mina ngishadile. Unless umuntu amenkapa ke. Kodwa ngizomtshela menkapa ngimtshela na relax super right. Super right. Milky Way. Yes, bafaka umataba semotweni yami ngithi. Yay, we're done. It wasn't even that dirty food. Because benga ay kodwa ngihambile ngale moto this past week. And angiyisile imoto yami lolu so shadile futhi ngeke ukonfirm mina ngeke ukonfirm ngiyaphethizela Nkosi yami ngiyabamba ngeke lihleza futhi ke nje ngiyacela bandla ngiyacela nje ngesihle eluphume kumina wena ungangijudge because lento yenzayo ukungijudge manje and lento yokuthatha abantu it's not nice. It's not a nice thing to do. Have a great day. Thank you. You look nice. You look nice thick, but you look nice thick. No. I'm too thick. My thighs are they're annoying. My thighs are annoying. Noma ngahamba ngiyowenza kangaki. azobuyela esimeni. My ties are annoying, I won't lie. She remarried. Yeah, and yeah, Papa, shame. Nia Papa. You have a car, can't this lega now and to name mina babes. Give them more thank tell about Uber driver okay bank tell sometimes me misdiagnose no tando or bebesukela this badiniwe nje ama Uber driver hamba in the AMs bahlale be angry sihleka nawe kanti unemoto wena Ginemoto my babes no Twitter. Why? Because I don't know, like angazi ngayikhaleli Twitter and it's just toxic. It's a toxic place. Sihleka nawe kanti you are remarried. Yes. Lol, hlekani futhi. Seqedile manje, there's no ways. Yeke phela manje sesiyibonela ukuthi iyapi kanti. Uqedile lo muntu. Uqedile ngemoto yami. Cela umbuze bandla. Sengicela ukuhamba manje ngikhathele. I'm tired. Cause you know what's on my mind. Maybe I should have some ice cream. Say really manch. Don't end the life, I won't. How's your new life with the car? It's awesome, like it's so awesome. Like I'm trying to, okay guys, I'm gonna make sure and see and take myself out, like mustn't in the vlog. Okay, I'm serious. One of the days Jiggly week and in Gold Reef City, so I want to go there. So manje, I'm tired of waiting. Manje yeah, there's keeper. Like shay solo dates, not like a date, but coming in my movies and bounce. Hey, bounce ya kataza go yo. Okay, maybe I could just start. Alright, thank you. Oh, it was nice doing business. Yo. Ngiyabonga ne? Sharp. Nomchamo lana. Oh, amahili ami kusembe ngithi uzongifakela ebhuthini. Amahili. But you know what's on my mind. Okay. Lana yo. Labantu babuye bachamelana bawashiya imoto bachamena lana kanti. Yes.
What's up?
Play music. Okay. Singidlala national anthem ya like hi. Yeah. Bismillah. Okay, yes. In lady, I explode imoto yami moya ngcwele. Maybe later.
people. I wonder what's wrong with my nose. It's so... It's so tickly. Ah, yo. Yang kita sampan. Ang kung amamang. Kodwa sengu-drivers sengabanye bathini nje ngoba bye that's inhliziyo yami go get some ice cream. Yeah, let's go. card. Their cookies. It's their cookies. Okay, I'm buying ice cream. I wasn't planning to buy ice cream, but I mean, I'm not gonna die. It's not like I'm so shona and stuff. So, we good. Imagine we drive through me and I walk about some diesel. Bang diesel. Yo, I'm not supposed to be doing this. I feel so guilty. Whatever. Unless we finish ice cream, that's good. We'll finish ice cream. Shot whoa. I want to show you guys what I'm wearing after my ice cream. I like plain ice cream from KFC. It's just plain corn. Okay, so guys, ini ang lindo ice cream. So guys, ini ang dizo temo ice cream. How. Yeah, you guys have ice cream? Ingat tahu ku ice cream. Along with corn or plain. Yeah. Fried egg. Yeah? Yeah. Ay, bro. Ang zijn lunch. Diba nga? No. Ya mau nggak, Ma? Hi. I'm good. Umuntu akakwazi ukudrive while adla ice cream, so ngizodla ice cream wami emotweni, uvule AC, give us soft, waziba clean baby, waziba clean sithando sami. I love you so much. Ish imina-ke leyo seyithi. So ngidla ice cream, get ice cream manje. Ngivule AC. Sithule camera, engathi camera yami nje ngathi ngisemaphupheni, ayibo kwenzakalani? Hey, get ice cream manje. Ngiphazamisa. Okay. Ice cream. Wait, cha, ngathi ngapaka ngibhekele yazi. What's wrong with this nose? No, it's ngibeke la iPhone. Cause lapha yana ikude. Please lock the car. Okay. I lock the car. AC, full blast. Yeah. Petrol. That's right. Yeah. It's ice cream. I took myself on a date. Look at God. Woo. Liyancinza guys, lize lired angazi like it's so I don't know bayangloya sebeqalile sebafuna ukungibulala. Othi ngidlale le ngoma le. Ice cream. Your last post, you ate. Kata be baddie. Kata be baddie. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Othi ngidlala Outlaws. Aibo. Summer is back, my babe. I know.
But I forgave you. Why do they still want me to hate you? Cause if I'm choosing to forget it, why can't they just mind their business? Cause I'm stuck like you. Cause I can't stop loving you.
I wanna see my dogs on the mountaintops. The niggas only ballin' when they albums drop. I got a line of cars rapping around the block. They living better than these rappers rapping around the clock. I built a golf course and a car porch. Since everybody asking where your car's going. Mozzarella now it's only tall cheddar. Most dope boys been a pallbearer. Package the product, then you pick it up back in Bahamas. Talking them dollars, how I touch it, come off as a profit. You leave your pistol on, then you're on your own. Cause little when it's on, they gon' do you wrong. See you nodding off on that.
Gucci, what's on your mind lately? Money.
Boy, don't get involved.
Messed around, but I forgave you. Why do they still want me to hate you? Cause if I'm choosing to forget it, why can't they just mind their business? Cause I'm stuck like you. Cause I can't stop loving you.
Wow. Life full of VVS diamonds and bad choices. Young nigga dreaming about 10 lines and Porsche. It's cold, I keep my hoodie on. Block 4-5, ready to get my boogie on. Pussy niggas panties showing. My bitch say I talk in my sleep. I start hard driving, put it in reverse with my heat. Just talking back, I think I heard it cursing at me. They say you better not fuck a bitch or write a verse without me. Oh God, the streets left me scarred. Nigga, I'm eating bread, it's free Sean. Soda, come out, catch up with me, I keep going.
Better come and get your bitch, cause she gone.
She don't go. This that straight drop. All these other niggas rethrowing. Karma 9, Jada, she keep.
Ubani lo ngiloyayo yazi lo muntu ongiloyayo uyasebenza overtime. Ha. I don't know what's happening. Selize libovu. Like liyancinza guys. Messed around but I forgave you. Why do they still want me to hate you? Cause if I'm choosing to forget it, why can't they just mind their business? Cause I'm stuck. This is good. Stuck like glue. Cause I can't stop loving. Ow, bitch.
They calling it pandemic when it's really life. The only way to separate the men and mice. Until you seem successful, you consider roguish. That's why you seen that nigga pull up in that Lotus. He got the 40 on him up against his colon. Standing in the club and know them niggas rolling. We all got a purpose and my people serving. All got some working and I'm speaking murders. Still be counting funds until my fingers purple. Praying for your mother, but it still hurt you. Smoking on a bag that I got from Burner. The bottles all black and that bitch a earner. Soldiers waving flags when they see the colonel. If you see the flash, then it don't concern you.
Oh God.
Messed around, but I forgave you. Why do they still want me to hate you?
What happened? Maybe I ate something. I don't know. Kodwa angaze ngidle lutho namhlanje. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on.
Cause if I'm choosing to forget it, why can't they just mind their business? Cause I'm stuck like glue. Cause I can't stop loving you.
This is good. Hey, Sam. Ngiyeza ngizenza makeup. I'm coming.
ujima. Wafika wena washo. Awubuke namhlanje happy. Awubuke namhlanje happy. Ngabuthanda noma inhliziyo yami imele. Ngiyakholelwa kuwe. Ngiyayikhumbula le ngoma le. Ngiyayikhumbula le ngoma le. I used to love this song. Ngiyayikhumbula le ngoma le. Nge-lockdown. Yo, ngazi ukuthi ngizoyidlala le ngoma mase nginemoto. Ngasho, ya. Senginayo imoto manje bengishoda benginayo neparking bengishoda ngemoto ngempela. Nawu unayo iparking la uhlala khona. Hamba useka imoto, musu kubayiza. Yo. I love how you'll depend on her. Thank you. Ngiyathanda nami shame. Sengikhathele mina ama-hater. Uyayizwa vele? Ngidliwa ngani? Niyayazi le ngoma? Niyayazi. Because I used to go live ngalezi zinsuku kudlala le trip session. Yo! DJ Baba izazi. Le ngoma ngiya-imagine eclubini. Awu Jesu baba. Awu. DJs, they go with trends. That's how many ngoma zakudala zimnandini. That's why they end up having the same sets. You like how the other one played this song, now you're playing it now. Aye. No one is watching. Bengifuna ukubaka njengalo ngabe lighting yami isempu kanjani manje ngiyabhayiza kodwa sengiyahamba vem. I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying to make it work. Ungawiyas? Ungawiyas? Wait, uzowa wena stupid. Ayibo ungakude kangaka manje. Okie dokie.
Just keep it 100 when I throw these hundreds. I hope that your ass gon' know what's my way. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way.
Eldorado, we in Rome, I'm a model. Gucci Mane and Doja Cat, call me El Gato. I'm the big boss and I got.
Brothers and sisters,
I want to welcome you
back
to the one that can make your next chapter
your best chapter.
your best chapter. Hallelujah.
How can it be that you love the most unlovable part of me? How could you see the light was the only gift I left for me? Don't let that free. Have sympathy that do the line that do every night that I do that day. He says the day.
cover me.
I appreciate it.
My mystery.
It's amazing how
Your patience with me, God will never leave.
Patsy,
Don't ever leave. Help me to see that you, no matter what I go through, everything's talking for my good far away. He saves the day. He will come through. He won't ever stop what superheroes do. No greater love makes my heart ache. All I wanna do is make you proud of me. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
Kasi ngavula iwindi ade ngashimoto njani? Cela ngiyaphila ngicela ungigcwalisele. Yeah. Ungicheckela leli la phambili. Angazi nami. Angazi yazi, angazi ngempela.
Awucheke lapho kukhepha kuyokamatana.
Angazi nami, angazi Nkosi yami. That's how it's supposed. Alright. So what I'm saying, I don't wanna love nobody but you.
2-6 phambili, 2-2 emove.
Oh, petrol unwaya mnandi. He saves a day. He will come through.
He won't ever stop what superheroes do. No greater love makes my heart ache. All I wanna do is make you proud of me. He saves the day. He will come
Eh? Yeah, bayigcwali ifike phezulu. It's okay. Yeah. It's automatic, my babes. Ngilunge ku manual. Ayibo. Sana. I don't know who I am. Name your dreams. I don't want you to leave. I know you are every door. There was time, but now I see it's 'cause I was on my knees. He pampered day for the car, yes. You came to me.
I have better dreams when you can't see. Got to find the words when you don't speak. I just left high now.
Angiphatha nge-click card yami. Nginayo kodwa isendlini. Ngifanisa nobani? Ku-TV? Uyayibuka i-TV wena? Uyayibuka. Imini impela, uyayibuka i-TV sengibonile. Alright. Hayi, uyayibuka i-TV lo muntu ukhuleka. Eish, kazi ngihamba ngivela ku-TV phela mina ngi-starring ngeke ngenze lutho. Yeah, hayi ngiyabathanda abantu ababuka i-TV mina. Ngiyabathanda. Kodwa leli khala moya ingcwele ngenzeni ngixolise mina. Hayi uyayibuka i-TV lapho, uyayibuka. Boy, you are the melody, but you came to me. Uyayibuka i-TV lapho. Oh, but I had a better dreams when you can see. Got to find the words when I can't breathe. See me wrong, see guys, sengiyongena kwi-underground parking and izocima inetwork yami sengendlini manje. Ngizobe ngibe live later. But I'm done doing my hair. Relax manje ngohamba ngiyiphente endlini. Kuyashisa. Samazimi so boro sibi so ribi so rara didi. Azabaraba zakodi sibi open. Sometimes I feel like you tell me you fuck with me enough. Ish, khona le security ngilibalekelayo. Ay.